So that to answer that question, Patricia, hey, what's up? What's up? Yes, El Bain saying write-offs. Yes. Hey, Tabitha. Yes. Yes. Yep. Tabitha's out of Florida. Lori said, yep. El Bain LLC. Girl, thank you. Because you know I had to think about that one for a minute. So let's talk about some of the niches that I do. Okay. Some of the niches that you can do. That's why I said when I started, yeah, I only wanted to make $25 a day, but when you look at all these different services you offer, you can make $25 per hour. And actually, you're going to make a lot more than that. I just said 25 per hour. So let's go. You have remote online notary. You're sitting at home in your underoos helping people. If you don't know what an underoo is, look it up. You sitting at home in your underoos, though, in your pajamas, PJs on the bottom. Now, don't stand up. But you're helping people do notarizations at home. They're at home and you're at home, okay? Apostilles. We talk about that all the time. Apostilles. Your document needs a higher level of authentication before it can leave the United States. That's a major part of my business. Ink fingerprinting. Okay. I had somebody say earlier there was a lock on ink fingerprinting. I couldn't really dive into it deeply into the YouTube comments, but there's no lock on ink fingerprinting. There may be a lock on doing live scan in your area because it's a whole lot more hoops to jump through. Now, I do not do ink fingerprinting all day long, but when my phone does ring, I know how to do it. And that's what I teach you to do too. All of these courses are covered in the mentorship too. Okay? They're in the all-inclusive plan. Now, the remote online notary is more like an introduction. It's not a full-blown course because I don't actually do it. I'm looking for someone to assist us within our group. I got my eyes on a few people that are doing remote online notary, so I'm hoping to get one of them to be able to speak to that for us. And if you missed it earlier, Lisa is going to be our first member of our notary family to do teaching. And our group is doing so amazing. I have several people that I've already spoken to, and they will be doing some teaching on our platform, and I'm just so excited. And Lisa's session is tomorrow. She and I together will be doing loan signing reviews. If you can't make it or if you're not at that part of your business, no need to worry. It is going to be recorded and uploaded to the library. And you get that information regardless to if you're in the startup plan or the all-inclusive plan. The main course that you would need if you're going to buy the courses separately, as Abdul, would be Notarize Like a Pro. That's where you would get started if you're going to do it. Oh, excuse me, I just ate some salmon. If you're going to do it separately, that's the main one you would need is Notarize Like a Pro. But that course is included in the $27 mentorship along with live sessions. Both mentorship programs, you are able to come to the live sessions. And that's why I set it up like that. At first, it was just going to be, well, you can watch the library. But I'm like, Kim, no, you said you're going to help people this year. And we're going to help people this year. And what does that look like? For $27 or $47, whichever one you choose, you can come to the live sessions every week. We have not missed one, and we've been doing this for almost 2 years. We've not missed one session. We meet during a week of a holiday. We meet 52 weeks out the year. And you would say, is it that much to talk about in this notary space? Your girl don't cuss. You know what I mean? I don't. But beep, 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 beep. Yes. There's a lot to talk about. I promise you. You would not believe it is that much to talk about. So Lori is telling Lisa, congrats. I know Lisa. I'm so excited for her. Lori's actually going to do a session. So we got some stuff in the works over here, guys. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. We got another comment, and I'm going to go back to these. I'm going to go back to these. Sheila's saying, yes, Lisa. Paula says, hey, Kimmi, is pricing discussed in the Notarize Like a Pro course? You know, I'll be honest with you. I just don't remember because it's been a minute since I recorded it. It may be something on the end, but if not, Paula, within the pricing course, because it's not a lot, even if it is. I do know that. But pricing itself is a skill. I have a whole course on pricing, too. They are included in mentorship at both levels, okay? So in the $27 where there is a pricing course that's included, the full pricing course is in the 47, but the 27 is just as complete because I did that one before. I did, you know what? Let me see right quick. Hold on right quick because I got to see which one because I have two pricing courses. Guys, when it comes to pricing, I'm telling you, it's a lot. Just even pricing. So let me see what's included. Let me go back because I want to make sure I'm giving you accurate information. Yeah. So the pricing and marketing course is there. And then in the all inclusive, there's a whole course on marketing, just marketing. But the pricing and marketing course gives you everything you need in order to learn how to properly price. So the reason I decided to do that though and include the live mentorship piece weekly is because I realized you can take 1,000 courses, but sometimes you got to talk to somebody. It's facts. You got to talk to somebody. You need somebody that you can talk to, and that's why I'm so passionate about both of our programs. Is because it does allow you to. Let me look at this. It allows you to have the weekly community, right? You get to see other people are actually doing the thing, right? So that's why I'm just so excited about the way we've chosen to do our mentorship. I'm not going to lower the price anymore. I thought about a $17 entry point, but there's no way that it can be effective for you or for us. So I'm not going to do it. I don't just roll out products so I can get money or just so I can be competitive, like because I see somebody else rolling out something. It's got to make sense. It has to make sense. So the way that we've been able to roll out our program, hold on one second. I just want to make sure. Yeah. So that pricing course is included. So yeah, just check out the website though, notaryeducators.com. It is very, very, very um plain and clear English. What you see there is what you get. There are no bait and switch. You know, I don't do that. I can't be here 5 years and I'm telling you one thing here and then I'm actually offering something different. Okay. So you can read the website. It is what it is. Okay. So the descriptions are very clear. And Grit says, as of September 1, effective January 126, in Texas, tests for new applicants and renewal commissions. California finally got it pushed through for Texas. Yes, there is a test that you have to take. There's a little training that's required now in Texas. It still doesn't compare to the training you're going to receive here. I have Texas notaries, California notaries, quite a few states. So again, it's just something where I could try to explain it to you, but you got to just experience it. We have a lot of people here in the chat that are part of our notary family, has been part of the notary family, that are progressing. So, you know, they can tell you when you come to live sessions, go back and watch some of the student reviews. We got all kinds of student reviews on the channel. So a lot of times people may not know that I am also the owner of Notary Educators. So I have Notary Educators with Kimmi, which is my YouTube channel, which I might eventually just change the name of that to Notary Educators. I may do that. I might just do that. Now I'm talking to y'all. But Notary Educators with Kimmi, the reason I did that because a lot of people knew Notary Life with Kimmi. So I don't want to just confuse my YouTube channel too much. They're like, where's Kimmi? So I am Notary Educators. Notary Educators is me. And I'm also None Better Notary, which is my personal business. That's what I'm repping tonight. So, all right. Martha says, hands up. Yay. Sheila giving hearts. Congrats, Lisa. Paula says, thank you. I'm working with a very limited budget, getting started. So I'm trying to figure out if I should start with Notarize Like a Pro course or mentorship. I'm just nervous. I know, Paula, for real. And that happens a lot. So I'll be honest with you. The best bang for your buck is going to be the $27 mentorship to get started. Now, I do have a lot of people that start with the $27 and they're like, oh, I want to do everything. And then they upgrade. You can upgrade it anytime. The only thing is you got to wait till the following month or you will be paying $27 for 1 month and then $47 for the other one. But you can upgrade, downgrade, whatever you want to do at any time, but just be aware of that, how the dates work. You can't change mid-range. Okay, so I would start with the mentorship. It's $27. Notarize Like a Pro. Pricing is there. Templates are there. Everything you need. And you may say, well, Kimmi, why are you doing that? Why do you give us everything? Why do you give us so much on the channel? Somebody even asked me that one day. And I get it. People are concerned. They're nervous. You've already paid thousands usually by the time you find us. Let's just be clear. Let's be frank. We're family. It's all good. And then it's like, oh man, I wish I had found a job 4 years ago. Oh, I would have wished I found a job before I spent $6,000 over here. Well, the reason it's able to work, one, because I have my own notary business, so I'm not strictly relying on notary educators. But the main reason is because we give so much. When you take care of people, people take care of you. It's just facts.